I don't know, but look, we're in Whitby and there's a man on a surfboard with a paddle. If you can see him.
Unless it's a man and a dolphin.
It's not. And there's another one there. And he's paddling. Or is it a sweeping